Hi to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Myself రంగబాబు పున్నపు. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం థర్డ్ క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ ఫోర్త్ యూనిట్ అయినటువంటి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అనే టాపిక్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్ గురించి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. థర్డ్, ఫోర్త్, ఫిఫ్త్ అన్ని సబ్జెక్టుల వర్క్షీట్స్ కోసము, అట్లాగే థర్డ్ నుంచి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికోసము ఆన్లైన్ అప్లికేషన్లు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక మనకి సబ్ టాపిక్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ 1 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ ఫ్రమ్ త్రీ డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్, అంటే 3 అంకెల సంఖ్య నుంచి ఒక అంకె ఉన్నటువంటి సంఖ్య ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయటము దీనిలో ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్ 1లో ఉన్నటువంటి సబ్ టాపిక్. డూ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. ద గివెన్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 124. Subtract 1 digit means 1, we get 123. Next one, given number 367, subtract 3, we get 364 as our answer. Next one, 449, 6, and the answer is 443. And the next one, 637, subtract number 4, we get 633. Next one, 659, subtract number 7, we get 652. Next one, 749, subtract number 8, we get 741. Next one, 816, subtract number 5, we get 811. Next one, 856, subtract number 6, we get 850. And the next one, 924, subtract number 3, we get 921. Do the following. 653 minus 2, and the answer is 651. Out of 469 mangoes, 8 mangoes were rotten. How many mangoes remained? Number of mangoes 469, number of rotten mangoes 8. That means 469 minus 8. Total remaining mangoes 461. D. What is the fifth number before 125? 125 minus 5, and the answer is 120. Means the fifth number before 125 is 120. Worksheet number 2, subtopic subtraction of 2 digit numbers from 3 digit numbers. Do the following. First one, subtract number 12 means 12 from 168, we get 156. 339, subtract 24, we get 315. Next one, 592, subtract 21, we get 571. And the next one, 663, subtract 40, we get 623. Answer the following questions. After removing some coins from 799 coins, there remained only 75 coins. How many are removed? And the solution for this question. What are the things mentioned in the problem? Coins. Next one, what should we find is the problem. We want to find out number of removed coins. That means total coins 799 and the remained only 75, means subtract 75 from 799, we get 724, means total removed coins are 724. B. There were 285 trees in a farm. 45 trees are guava. How many trees are remainder? Solution for this question. What about the problem deals with a number of trees in the farm? What is to be found? Remaining trees. What is the operation to do? Subtraction trees, means the process of subtraction. Total number of trees 285 less the trees guava 45, then we get 240. A vendor has 376 milk packets in the morning. At the closing time of the shop, there are 35 only. How many packets were sold? Number of milk packets in the morning, that is 376. Number of milk packets at shop closing time, that is 35. Number of milk packets he has sold are 376 minus 35, that means 341, means 341 sold on the day. Worksheet number 3, subtopic subtraction of 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers. Do the following. Subtract 107 from 188, we get 81. Next one, subtract 102 from 245, we get 143. Subtract 214 from 379, we get 165. And the last one, subtract 124 from 578, we get 454. Number 2, answer the following questions. There are 361 soldiers in a battalion. There are only 250 guns. How many guns are to be added for the remaining soldiers? Point 1. The subject of the problem deals with the number of soldiers in the battalion and the number of guns available. What is to be found in the problem? We have to find number of guns required. And the next one, what is the process involved in the problem? The process involved in this problem is subtraction process. Next one, the cost of a photo is rupees 380. If you have rupees 270, how much more money is required? The cost of a photo is rupees 380. The amount that you have 270, means we have to less this amount from the cost of photo, that is 380. Then we will get 110, means required amount to buy the photo is rupees 110. Next one, see, there are 476 pupils in the school. Out of them, 245 are boys. How many girls are there in the school? 1. Number of pupils in the school, means total number, that is 476. Number of boys in the school, that is only boys, 245. If we can less this number from total figure, then we will get the girls figure, means number of girls in the school. 476 minus 245, that is 231, means number of girls in the school are 231. Worksheet number 4, subtopic subtraction of 1-digit number from 3-digit numbers. Less number 4 from 112, then we get 108. Less number 9 from 345, we get 336. Less number 7 from 446, we get 439. Less number 7 from 623, we get 618. Next one, less number 8 from 756, then we will get 748. Next one, less number 6 from 824, we will get 818 as our answer. Number 2, answer the following. 743 minus 9, and the answer is 734. Subtract 8 beads from 257 beads, then we will get 249. What is the difference between 7 and 404? 404 minus 7, the difference between 7 and 404 is 397. What is the 7th number before 519? 519 minus 7, that is 512, means the 7th number before 519 is 512. Worksheet number 5, subtopic subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Do the following. First one, subtract number 159 from 247. We will get 88. Next one, subtract number 299 from 417. We will get 118. Subtract number 198 from 563. We will get 365. Subtract number 143 from 642. We will get 499 as our answer. Number 2. The cost price of a radio is rupees 325. If Anand has 288, how much more money is required to buy a radio? First one, what do you understand by the problem? Means cost price of radio required money to buy radio. Rupees 325 refers to cost price of a radio. What is to be found in the problem? Means subtraction. And we have to find out how much more money is Anand required to buy a radio. That is what we have to find out in this problem. And the next third one, Ramarao is engaged to make 300 toys. If he makes 186 toys for now, how many toys are there still to make? First one, what is Ramarao's main work? Means Ramarao's main work is to make toys. What do we find in the problem? How many toys still to make? In this problem, we have to find out how many toys does Ramarao still to make. What operation is to be applied to solve? We have to apply the mathematical operation, that is subtraction. What is the difference between 3-digit biggest number and 3-digit smallest number? 3-digit biggest number is 999. 3-digit smallest number is 100. The difference between these two numbers is 899. Worksheet number 6, subtopic, subtraction of 2-digit numbers from 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Subtract 45 from 214, we get 169. Subtract 57 from 430, we get 373. Subtract number 39 from 712, we get 673. Subtract number 77 from 866, we get 789. Next one, answer the following questions. Question number 2. There were 212 people in a village. After some of them left the village, there are only 98 people. How many people left the village? First one, the main theme in problem is number of people in village left them from village. Next one, what is to be found in the problem? We have to find out how many people left the village. Next one, the operation that required to solve this problem is subtraction. Next one, Siva read 98 pages out of 182. How many pages are to be completed? What are the things in the problem? Reading pages and still to read pages. Who completed the pages in the book? Siva. What is the question to find answer? We have to find out how many pages are to be completed, are to be read by Siva. Number 4. In a basket of 138 guvas, some of the grims were sold and only 96 guvas remained. How many guvas are sold? Number of guvas in basket, that is 138. Number of guvas remained, that is 96. Subtract the number 96 from the basket, means guvas which were in basket, that is 138. Then number of guvas are sold, 42. Worksheet number 7, subtopic, subtraction by complementary addition. Do the following subtractions. First one, in a lorry, there is a chance to load 480 boxes. They loaded 295 boxes only. How many more boxes are to be loaded? Number of boxes chance to load, that is 480. Number of loaded box, that is 295. We have to subtract this figure from a chance to load 480 boxes. Number of boxes to be loaded, we can get 185. These are the boxes to be loaded. Question number 2. By how much 315 is greater than 238? 315 minus means subtract 238, we will get 97. Question number 3. A student got 280 marks. He wishes to rise up to 400 marks. How many more marks should he get? Number of marks to rise 400. Student got 280 means subtract 280 from 400 and want to get more marks, that is 120. A teacher has to correct 145 workbooks. She corrected 137 workbooks only. How many more workbooks should she correct? Number of workbooks has to correct, that is 145. Number of workbooks corrected 137 means subtract 137 from 145. Number of more workbooks should be corrected, that is 8. Worksheet number 8, subtopic word problems, belongs to subtractions. First one, Jabin collected 358 tamarind seeds. Mohan collected 529 tamarind seeds. What is the difference? How many more seeds Mohan collected than Jabin? What are the seeds mentioned in the problem? Number of tamarind seeds means tamarind seeds. Who collected the seeds? Jabin and Mohan. Who collected more? For that, we have to subtract the least one, that is 358, from the highest one, that is 529. Then we will get 171. Means Mohan collected more. There are 850 hens in a poultry. Among them, 375 are sold. How many hens are left? What about the problem deals with number of hens and sold ones? That is 850. Next, what is to be found? Number of hens left. Operation required to get solution is, that is subtraction. Means 850 subtract 375, 475. How many hens are left in poultry? Are 475. Next, problem number 3. In a bike showroom, there are 475 bikes. Out of them, 175 are sold. How many are left after sale? Number of bikes in the showroom, that is 475. Number of bikes sold, that is 175. Number of bikes remained, 300. We have to subtract 175 from the number of bikes in the showroom, that is 475. Then we will get 300. These are the left after sale. Problem number 4. In a playground, there are 475 audience. Among them, 234 audience are supporting Team A. Team A players. How many are supporting Team B? Number of audience in the ground means total number, that is 475. Number of, that is audience who are supporting Team A, that is 234. If you subtract this figure from 475, then we will get the remaining one, means that is number of audience who are supporting Team B, 241. Worksheet number 9, subtopic word problems on subtraction. First one, the cost of a saree is rupees 700, but on bargaining, she purchased it for rupees 575 only. How much cost is reduced? The cost of a saree is 700. The final cost of the saree 575. Reduced amount on bargaining, that is 125. Means subtract 575 from the cost of saree, that is 700. Then we will get 125. Means the lady got 125 as a discount. Number 2, in a sports shop, there are 600 bats. 350 bats are sold out. How many bats are left? Number of bats in the shop, 600. Number of bats sold out, that is 350. Subtract number of bats sold out 350 from the number of bats in the shop 600, then we will get 250. Means these are the bats left in the storeroom. Next, a shirt cost rupees 450. A trouser costs rupees 375. What is the difference between their prices? Cost of a shirt rupees 450. Cost of a trouser rupees 375. Subtract the least amount means cost of trouser from cost of a shirt means 450. Then we will get 75. This is the difference between shirt and trouser. Problem number 4. In a bakery, there are 380 cakes. Out of them, 195 are sold. How many are left? Number of cakes in a bakery. That is total figure 380. Number of cakes sold out. That is 195. Subtract cakes which were already sold out. That is 195 from the total. That is 380. Then we will get 185. These are the cakes left in the bakery. Worksheet number 10, Subtraction, subtopic, making and solving some problems on subtraction. Prepare subtraction problems by using following pairs. One is done for you. Next one. Using 300 and 206. Out of 300 students, 206 are girls. How many boys are there? Next one. 225 and 625. It's a typing mistake. Not 223, 225. A student got 225 marks. He wishes to rise up to 625 marks. How many more marks should he get? Next one, 999 and 100. The cost price of a radio is 999. If Sohan has rupees 100, how much more money is required to buy a radio? And the next one, using 874 and 427. By how much 824 is greater than 427? Next problem number 2. A customer gives rupees 500 note for a bill of rupees 215. How much amount he gets back? Given amount means rupees 500 note, bill cost 215. Subtract the bill cost from the given amount means 250. Subtract from 500, then we will get 285. Means this is the amount he gets back. Number 3, there are 350 books in a shelf. Out of them, 139 are kept aside. How many are there in the other side? Total books in a shelf, that is total figure 350. Number of books kept aside, that is 139. Subtract number 139 from total figure, that is 350. Then we will get 211. Means these are the books kept on other side. Worksheet number 11, subtopic, problems on mental subtraction. Fill in the blanks. What is the difference between 600 and 200? 400. Between 300 and 450, which one is greater and by how much? 450 and 150. How much is 555 more than 255? That is 300. The next one, 900, 800, 700, 600. Means each figure has 100 as a difference. Then after 600, 500, 400, 300. Number before 999 means subtract 1 from 999 and the answer is 998. Observe and fill in the circle. 16, subtract 6, then get 10, then subtract 2, then we will get 8. Like this, 17 from 7, then we will get 10 minus 1, we will get 9. 18 minus 8, we get 10. Subtract 1, we will get 9. 25 minus 5, that is 20. 20 minus 12, we will get 8. Next one, subtract 1 from both subtrahend and minuend. Means both sides we have to subtract one digit. Means 1. 300 minus 1, 299. 235 minus 1 means 234. We will get 65. 600 minus 1, 599. 539 minus 1, 538. We will get 61 as our answer. 700 minus 1, 699. 473 minus 1, 472. We will get 227 as our final answer. Next, 900 minus 1, 899. 782 minus 1, 781. We will get 118 as our final answer. Worksheet number 12, subtopic subtraction by estimation. Round off to nearest tens. One is done for us. First one, 63 is rounded off to 60. 54 is rounded to 50. 18 is rounded off to 20. 78 is rounded off to 80. Next one, round off to nearest hundreds. For example, one towel. It is nearest to 100. So, 100. 272. Above 250 taken as 300. 142. Below 149 or 150 taken into 100. 552. Above 551. Nearest number is round off means 600. Next, number 3. Durga has 32 pens and Ali has 68 pens. Estimate the difference in their pens. Number of pens Durga has, that is 32, rounded off 32. It's near to 30. Number of pens Ali has 68. It is rounded off to 70. Difference between highest figure, that is 70, and the least figure, that is 30. 70 minus 30, that is 40. Next, number 4. Kiran had some amount. Suguna gave him rupees 100 and now he had rupees 416 with him. Estimate how much amount he had in the beginning. First one, Suguna gave amount, that is rupees 100. Final amount at Karim means 416. So we have to less the amount which was given by Suguna from the total amount which now he was having, that is 416. Means subtract 100 from 416, then we will get 300. 416, it is rounded off to 400, means the amount he had in the beginning, that is 300. Next, problem number 5. There are 590 eggs in a school. 280 were used for lunch. Estimate how many eggs are left. Number of eggs in a school, that is 590 rounded off to 600. Number of eggs used in lunch, 280 rounded off to 300. 600 minus 300, that is 300. Means how many eggs are left in the at present in school is 300 eggs. Worksheet number 13, subtopic self-assessment sheet. Fill in the blanks. In a subtraction problem, the minute and number and must be bigger than its subrahand. 375 plus 125, that is 500. 700 plus 200, that is 900, can be written as 900 minus 700 is 200 and 900 minus 200, that is 700. Choose the right answer and write the correct answer in the brackets. First one, what comes after 800, 750, 700, 650? And the answer is C, 600. You have to observe the difference between each number, that is 50. So 650 minus 50, that is 600. What is the difference in tens of 372 and 459 is 5 tens. 405 minus 250. Answer is 155. What is the wrong in the following problem? Explain and correct it. 453 minus 30, we will get 423. 745 minus 295, we will get 450. Number 4, A villager donated 125 blankets to the poor in the last year. This year, he distributed 270 blankets. How many blankets are increased this year? Number of blankets distributed in the last year, that is 125. Number of blankets distributed in this year, means current year, that is 270. 270 minus 125, 145. Means 145 blankets are increased this year. Worksheet number 13. Problem number 6. In an apartment, there lived 158 people. Out them, 90 were male and remaining were female. How many females were there? Number of people lives in an apartment 158. Number of male people lives in an apartment 90. If we can less male from the total number of people who are living in the apartment from 158, then we will get 68. Means this is the number of females were living in that apartment. Answer is 68. Question number 7. In a school library, Telugu and English medium books are as follows, but the details are incomplete. Help the librarian to complete the following table. 60 means this one is given and this one is given. So we have to add 60 to 120, then we will get 180. For getting 100, we have to add number 60. For getting 200, means 115 and 85. After addition, we will get 200. 52. Here in this English medium column, there is only 0. Means we have to add 52. 347, 185, total 532. Means total textbook 532. Question number 1. Which books are more in number? Telugu medium, that is 347. Telugu medium books. What is the total number of books? Total figure is 532. How many English medium books are there? That is 185. What is the difference in the number of both media books? Means 347 minus 185, 148. ఇది మనకి థర్డ్ క్లాస్ 4th యూనిట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఆ టాపిక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి 1 నుంచి 13 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే వీడియోకి సంబంధించిన లింక్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఒక మంచి వీడియోలో ఒక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.